Hello everyone, welcome to our channel QT TLM and Creations. Today we are going to learn and write 5th class Maths Magic Workbook Semester 1 Chapter Let's Recall. Worksheet number 21, Subtopic Word Problems on Multiplication. First question, cost of a fan is 950 rupees. Cost of a sofa is 10 times the cost of the fan. What is the cost of the sofa? So cost of a fan that equal to 950 rupees. Cost of a sofa is 10 times the cost of the fan. So the cost of one sofa that equal to the cost of a fan 950 rupees into 10 times. That equal to 9500 rupees. Next question. Ramana has 855 rupees. Shirisha has 8 times more than Ramana. Find the amount Shirisha has with her. Money that has Ramana 855 rupees. Shirisha has 8 times more than Ramana. So money that Shirisha has 855 into 8 times. Here we have to multiply 855 with 8. So we get 7080 rupees. Next question. There are 185 guava trees in a garden. Mango trees are more than 2 times the number of guava trees. Find the number of mango trees. Number of guava trees in the garden that equal to 185. Mango trees are more than 2 times of guava trees. So number of mango trees that equal to 185 into 2 times that equal to 370 trees. Next question. Somu's pension is 2250 rupees per month. If Ahmad's pension is thrice that of Somu, find the pension of Ahmad in that month. Somu's pension that equal to 2250 rupees. Ahmad's pension is more than 3 times of Somu's pension. So Ahmad's pension is 2250 rupees into 3 times. So that equal to 6750 rupees. Next worksheet number 22, subtopic division. First question, do the following. Here A 69 divided by 3. Here 3 divides 69 for 23 times. Next B 49 divided by 9. 9 divides 45 for 5 times. Next C 408 divided by 7. So 7 divides 408 for 58 times and here remainder is 2. Next D 8 divides 905 for 113 times and remainder is 1. Next E 10 divides 385 for 38 times and remainder is 5. Next 11 divides 689 for 62 times and remainder is 7. Next G 12 divides 794 for 62 times and remainder is 2. Next H 13 divides 878 for 67 times and remainder is 7. Next question, fill in the blanks. Here 625 divided by 25. 25 divides 625 for 25 times. So we have to write quotient in this place 25. And here 25 divided by 5. 5 divides 25 for 5 times. So we have to write 5 here. And here 25 divided by 5. 5 divides 25 for 5 times. So we have to write the quotient here. Next worksheet number 23. Subtopic expecting remainder. Mind map of division. First question, expect the remainder without doing division. Here A 300 divided by 10. So 10 divides 300 for 30 times. So remainder is 0. B 810 divided by 100. 100 divides 810 for 8 times and the remainder is 10. Next 5002 divided by 100. Here 100 divides 5002 for 50 times and remainder is 2. Next D, 6010 divided by 100. 100 divides 6010 for 60 times and remainder is 10. Next question, filling the blanks. Here A dash divided by 3 that equal to 6. Here 6 3s are 18. So here for each multiplication fact there are 2 division facts. So here 18 divided by 3 that equal to 6. Next divided by 15 that equal to 90. Here also 90 into 15 we get 1350. So here we have to write 1350. Next here dash divided by 10 that equal to 80. So 80 into 10 that equal to 800. So we have to write 800 here. Next 15 divided by 5 that equal to 5. So 5 divides 15 for 3 times. So 3 divides 15 for 5 times. Next 150 divided by dash that equal to 50. So 50 divides 150 for 3 times. So 150 divided by 50 that equal to 3. Next 200 divided by dash that equal to 4. Here we have to divide 200 with 4. We get 50. So here we have to write 50. So 200 divided by 50 that equal to 4. Next fill the series. A 64, 32, 16. Here 2 divides 64 for 32 times and 2 divides 32 for 16 times and 2 divides 16 for 8 times and 2 divides 8 for 4 times. 2 divides 4 for 2 times. Next B 625, 125, 25. Here 125 divides 625 for 5 times. So here dividing 5. So we get 125. Here 125 divided with 5. We get 25. 25 divided by 5. We get 5. Next question. Write more division forms. 10. 200 divided by 20. We get 10. 170 divided by 17. We get 10. 120 divided by 12. We get 10. 80 divided by 8. We get 10. 60 divided by 6. We get 10. Here 50 divided by 2. We get 25. So 75 divided by 3. We get 25. 150 divided by 6. We get 25. 100 divided by 4. We get 25. 175 divided by 7. We get 25. 275 divided by 11. We get 25. Next worksheet number 24. Subtopic word problems on division. First question. A book contains 195 pages. If Krishna can read 13 pages per day, how many days will be required to complete the book? Number of pages in a book that equal to 195. Number of pages Krishna can read per day that equal to 13 pages. Number of days required to complete the book that equal to 195 divided by 13 that equal to, so 13 divides 195 for 15 times. So number of days required to complete the book 15 days. Next question. A bus can travel 9 kilometers with 1 liter of diesel. How many liters of diesel is required to travel 504 kilometers? Here distance to be traveled by the bus that equal to 504 kilometers. Number of kilometers can travel 1 liter of diesel that equal to 9 kilometers. Number of liters of diesel is required to travel 504 kilometers that equal to, here 504 divided by 9. We get 56 liters. So 56 liters. Next question. How many weeks are there in a year? Number of days in a year that equal to 365. Number of days in a week that equal to 7 days. Number of weeks in a year that equal to 365 days divided by 7 days. We get 52 weeks. Next question. In polio vaccination campaign, 2 milliliter medicine is used for one child. If 2700 milliliter medicine is used in a town, find the number of children who received the polio drops. Quantity of medicine that equal to 2700 milliliters. Used medicine for each child that equal to 2 milliliters. Number of children received the polio drops that equal to 2700 milliliter divided by 2 drops that equal to, so here 2 divides 2700 for 1350 times. So the number of children are 1350. Next question. Product of two numbers is 342. If one of them is 18, find the other number. Product of the two numbers that equal to 342. One of the number that equal to 18. The other number that equal to 342 divided by 18. So 18 divides 342 for 19 times. So the other number is 19. Next worksheet number 25. Subtopic word problems on division. First question. 625 rupees is distributed equally among 25 members. How much amount does each one get? Amount which is to be distributed that equal to 625 rupees. Number of children that equal to 25. The amount that each one will get that equal to 625 divided by number of members 25. 25 divides 625 for 25 times. So the amount that each one will get that equal to 25 rupees. Next question. 135 students are arranged equally in 5 rows. How many students are there in each row? Total number of students that equal to 135. Number of rows arranged that equal to 5. Number of students in each row that equal to total number of students 135 divided by number of rows 5. So 5 divides 135 for 27 times. So number of students in each row that equal to 27. Next question. Seating capacity of a bus is 45. 135 persons want to go on a tour. How many buses are required? Seating capacity of a bus that equal to 45. Number of persons want to go on a tour that equal to 135. Number of buses required that equal to 135 persons divided by seating capacity of a bus that equal to 45. So here we have to divide 135 with 45. So we get 3 buses. Next question. The cost of an entrance ticket for an exhibition is 15 rupees. How many tickets can be purchased with 705 rupees? Total amount that equal to 705 rupees. The cost of an entrance ticket that equal to 15 rupees. Number of tickets can be purchased that equal to 705 rupees divided by 15 rupees. So here 15 divides 705 for 47 times. So number of tickets can be purchased 47 tickets. Next worksheet number 26. Subtopic addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. First question. Do the following. A 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Here denominators are same. So we have to add numerators only. So 1 plus 1 by 8 that equal to 2 by 8. Next B 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So here common denominator that equal to 5. So we have to add numerators only 2 plus 3. So 5 by 5. 2 plus 3 5. So 5 by 5. Next C 1 by 3 plus 6 by 3. Here also denominator is same. So we have to write common denominator. We have to add numerators 1 plus 6 that equal to 7 by 3. Next question. Fill in the blanks. a dash plus 2 by 6 that equal to here 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6 that equal to here common denominator that equal to 6. We have to subtract 2 from 4, we get 2 by 6. So we have to write 2 by 6 here. Next be 1 by 8 plus dash that equal to 5 by 8. Here 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So we have to write common denominator and difference of numerators that equal to 5 minus 1 we get 4 by 8. So we have to write 4 by 8 here. Next dash plus dash that equal to 3 by 4. Here 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 we get 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 we get 3 by 4. Next question, do the following. A 8 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Here also common denominator is 10. So we have to subtract 8 minus 7. So we get 1 by 10. Next 9 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Here also same denominator, common denominator that equal to 11. So we have to subtract 9 minus 2 that equal to 7 by 11. Next see 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 that equal to common denominator is 7. So we have to subtract numerators only that equal to 2 minus 1. So we have to get 1 by 7. Next question, filling the blanks. A 10 by 7 minus. So here we have to subtract 10 minus 1 by 7. Here denominator is same. So we have to subtract numerators only 10 minus 1 that equal to 9 by 7. So we have to write 9 by 7 here. Next B dash 2 by 8 that equal to 4 by 8. Here we have to add 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So we get here common denominator is 8. We have to add numerators 4 plus 2. We get 6 by 8. So here we have to write 6 by 8. Next see dash minus 3 by 8 that equal to 2 by 8. So we have to add 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Common denominator is 8. Add numerators. So 2 plus 3 we get 5 by 8. So we have to write here 5 by 8. Next question, Guna read 2 by 5th of pages in a book. How much part is yet to be read to complete the book? Part of the book read that equal to 2 by 5. Part yet to be read that equal to total book 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So we get common denominator is 5. So difference of numerators that equal to 5 minus 2 that equal to 3 by 5. Next assessment.